Hello children, today we will discuss about health and hygiene. Now what is health? Health as scientists describe is a state of complete well-being both physically and mentally. That means one should be physically and mentally fit. The person should be physically and mentally healthy, physically and mentally sound. A healthy person is one whose mind and body are completely fit. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene refers to the habits or practices that ensures good health and a clean environment. So, we should use or practice those habits which ensures good health and a clean environment. We all want to remain healthy. To stay healthy and clean, we must have good habits. We must keep our body clean. So, to stay healthy, first and foremost thing is that we should maintain cleanliness. If we don't keep our body clean, then we cannot be healthy. We become sick if we do not keep ourselves clean. We must brush our teeth every morning and at night. Dirty teeth are the homes for the germs. We must rinse our mouth after every meal. The food you eat, after that, you should rinse your mouth, wash your mouth. We must go to the toilet every morning. We must wash our hands properly after using the toilet. So it is very necessary that you wash your hands frequently, as well as after using the toilet you should wash your hands properly. We must flush the toilet after using it. So why should we do that? To keep the toilet clean. This keeps the toilet clean. We must do exercise regularly. Now, why we should do exercise regularly? It keeps our body healthy and active. A healthy body makes a healthy mind. Always remember that when your body is healthy, then your mind is also healthy. We must have a regular bath with soap. We must use a clean, dry towel to wipe ourselves. Boys must have their hair cut regularly. If girls have long hair, they must take good care of it. We must comb our hair with a clean comb. You can see here, this is a comb. The boy is combing his hair. We must trim our nails once a week. So, you can trim your nail uh, when you wish, but at least once you should trim your nail in a week. Dirt collects below your nails. We must use a hanky to blow our nose. So when we cough or sneeze, that time we should use our hanky. We must use it when we sneeze or cough. We should never pick our nose. These things you should remember. These are very much essential that you do during this COVID-19 pandemic, because all these things are responsible for causing uh, the problems of COVID-19. So you should take care of this. You should wash your hands frequently. You should wear mask. These are essential. Okay, and the social distancing you should do during this COVID-19 pandemic. We should clean our ears with a soft, clean cloth or a cotton bud. We must take proper care of all the parts of our body. This will make us healthy. So, to keep us healthy, we must take proper care of all the parts of our body. So what we have learned? We all want to be healthy. We must brush our teeth twice a day. We must rinse our mouth after every meal. We must go to the toilet every morning. We must do exercise every day. This makes us fit. We must have regular bath with soap. This is also very essential. We must take care of our hair, nails, nose and ears. We must use a hanky to blow our nose, sneeze and cough. Now, did you know? Sleeping is the best way of taking rest. So, you should sleep for 9 to 10 hours every day, or at least 8 hours. Okay. Now, exercise questions. What will happen if you do not keep your body clean? What will happen if we do not keep our body clean? We will become sick. Okay. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? Twice in a day. Do you have a bath with soap every day? Yes, I do. Why should you flush the toilet after use? We should flush the toilet after use to keep it clean. What keeps our body healthy and active? We must do exercise regularly to keep our body healthy and active. What do you use when you sneeze or cough? We must use a hanky when we sneeze or cough. Now fill in the blanks with the given words. To stay clean and healthy, we must have good habits. We must rinse our mouth after every meal. Dirt collects below long nails. Healthy body makes healthy mind.